Well, hello there. Thank you so much for tuning into my video today. It's your girl, Miss Chinky Doll, and I am here for another video. Before I get into this video, I hope you guys have been having a wonderful day on this lovely Saturday weekend. So, you guys, in this video, I just wanted to do a honest review on some hair that I purchased from Amazon. I do want to let you know that this is not a sponsored video. The name of the company that I bought the hair from is called Jessica Hair. And I was really interested in getting some hair from this vendor on Amazon because I heard so many great reviews about a lot of the different pieces that they have on the site. So I couldn't help myself and I picked up this cutie right here. Isn't this wig just so cute, y'all? Like, look at this wig, the curl pattern. It's adorable. Y'all, I love curly wigs. Curly hair is the best. Look at them curls popping. So curly and pretty. So I do want to let you guys know that this is a kinky curly textured unit. This is a 12-inch 13x6 frontal wig. So it's really nice. I did not bleach the knots, okay? This wig did not come customized. You will need to go ahead and do your hairline as you like with the plucking. For me, I did just go ahead and I put a little bit of makeup here on the lace part just so it can blend in a little bit better once we get this baddie on my head. But yes, here is the wig. So she is so cute, you guys. I cannot wait to put her on. And I hope you guys really like this wig. Oh yes, before I go ahead and, get to putting her on, this is the box that the wig came in with Jessica Hair. So here's the box. And also, she did include some little goodies with the purchase. She put a wig cap in there. It's a little wig cap. Not the type I use, but it was so nice to put in there. And then there was some eyelashes that she added. So if you guys want to see the eyelashes that she put in here, they're pretty thin. Not normally the type of eyelashes I would wear, but they're still, they're still cute. I'll probably just put these on one of my little mannequin heads or something like that. So, you guys, I am so excited about this hair. And yes, also, when I did get the hair, it didn't have like a really bad factory stench or anything like that. But for me, before I do go ahead and put my unit on, I do like to make sure that I have already co-washed the hair. And so with me, like with the co-wash, y'all, I forgot the name of that co-wash I be using, but it smells so good. I'll have to pull that out on another video. But I co-washed the hair and then I let it air dry with some Cantu moisturizer. So those are really nice to help get those curls popping. Actually, just give me 1 second. Let me show you what I actually put in the hair. 1 second. Okay, y'all, so when I did the co-wash on the hair the night before, I used this Herbal Essence Bio Renew Passion Flower and Rice Milk. Y'all, this stuff smells so good. Like, I love how it smells, and I always like to do those co-washes, most definitely. But not only are my curls popping, but that wig smells off the chain, like some berries. And then after I let it air dry, I did go ahead and I applied the Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner Cream. So I really do like this cream. It's really nice for curly hair units. And I also like the fact that I can use this too on my natural hair. I think this just works perfect for like, curly hair, coily, kinky hair. And you just let that air dry with it. And like I said, the curls will look like this the next day. So enough of my talking. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Before I actually do put this wig on, I am going to attempt to do partially the ball cap method. And then we'll go ahead and get her laid down. Alright, you guys, since I was able to go ahead and melt this cap down with the Got To Be glue gel, I'm gonna go ahead and get to cutting. So the final look of the hair. So I really do like this hair, and I would definitely recommend this hair to someone. It's really a simple to go cute style, and I think something like this would be really great for the summertime. It's still winter over here right now, but this is just a really fun unit. And, I'm trying to do better, like with, my baby hairs and customizing my wigs. But I am so happy with this purchase. And like I said, this is definitely a unit I would suggest. So I will have the description, all the information below on how you can purchase this wig as well. Because sis, you need this one in your closet. This wig is just, it's so cute. Oh yeah, and then it was only, this wig was like $100. Yeah, around that price for a 12-inch and for it to be a lace frontal. That is not bad at all. But you beautiful people, I really do appreciate you for tuning into my channel today. I do hope you guys have a great day and a wonderful weekend. It's your girl, Miss Chinky Doll. Stay tuned.